Itong dalawang babaeng ito, magkaiba silang klaseng umarte, pero parehong ibang klase. So, minsan mahirap kasi pag mga bata ang kasama mo nga, na like what Wendell was saying, minsan hindi seryoso. So, ito talaga mga seryoso sila, and they know what they're doing. They're studying. I think you're studying your class and your role, right? So, I'm happy and proud to be working with this young bunch.
Yeah, follow up na rin po ako, Miss Connie, kasi alam ko po itong role nyo dito, sobrang napaka-inspiring. Kung mapapanood po talaga ng lahat, ang dami nila magiging take-away. Kasi po ako, I personally, siguro 3 beses ko po napanood to sa yung K-drama nito. So, pwede pong sabihin na isa yon sa reason kung bakit nyo tinanggap to. Yung mismong karakter or personality ni Granma.
I have no idea. When I was offered this teleserye, I had no idea what Shining Inheritance was all about. I had no clue. I tried to Google it and all, so that's as far as I went. Because I don't really, I won't say I'm not a fan, but I don't really watch mga K-dramas and stuff, no. Anyway, that's another story. But, was this, but when I learned that that Aurea de la Costa had dementia, and eventually nga Alzheimer's, specifically Alzheimer's. Yun nga iba eh. Kasi I follow, sometimes, you know, when you look at IG, you see some reels about that. And even before I was offered this particular teleserye, meron na akong kinaibigang isang matanda online. Hindi kaibigan, but yung daughters niya, ganun, kasi I was pinakita ko sa iyo yung direct, di ba? Remember? Naaliw ako. Actually, tagal ko na nga, nakalimutan ko na kung sino siya. Kaya pas lumabas na naman siya kahapon yata sa akin sa reels ko. So gusto kong, yung parang... Kasi di ba yung mga matatanda, minsan binabaliwala ng mga anak, ng mga tao sa paligid nila. So, parang nasa puso ko rin na kailangan makita nila, na kailangan pinapahalagan din itong mga taong ito, inaalagaan, minamahal. At lahat naman tayo tatanda eh, di ba? So, yun yung gusto ko. Tapos yung kung paano alagaan, kung yung may different ways and approach kasi of taking care of somebody with Alzheimer's. So, here we hope to be able to help people understand kung paano ba. Yung kasi sa Shining Inheritance na Korean version, hindi ko talaga masyadong alam kung paano ang extent ng dementia ng Alzheimer's ng matanda. Kung paano ginawa. Oo. Kasi dito parang halos buong show doon nagsimula ng yan eh. So I think we are not exactly the same as the K-drama. We are the Filipino adaptation. And I think the basic parts, I think Direct will explain that later. He's in a better position to explain that, no? Kasi kung hindi maging redundant lang tayo dito. Pero yun, basta, sabi nga ni writer namin, si Miss Ning, sabi niya, mamahalin daw ng tao si Lola Aurea.
Yes,
Actually,
sobra.
Lola Pink, kaya Pink yata yan. Si Lola Pink, sa tawag ni Ina sa akin dito, nung hindi ko pa alam ang name ko, Lola Pink.
Actually, totoo po yun. Talagang sobrang mamahalin kayo dito.
I hope I will do justice to the character that I tried my best.
Sure po yan. Ayan. Thank you po, Miss
Thank you.
Connie. Last na lang kay Kailin.